All right, as we move into Project Old Lady here, we're coming up to her from the rear, and we see we're all primed, have taken the paper away, taken all the masking paper off. And here we come around side the passenger door. We had really good coverage with the primer. All up along the cowl there is, we have good coverage there. And as we move around to the driver's side, coming up on the driver's side door, really good coverage. I like the way this product performs. And as you can see right there by the door handle, that's the type of imperfection we're down to now. Just little pinholes coming around. Show you that rear valance, how it was body worked into the quarter panels. That came out really good. I like that. Looking over the tail pan there, good coverage. Okay, coming alongside the passenger side, we're going to get up close here and go into the car. And here we're looking at the door jamb there. As we back away, we're going to come back alongside and show you that rear valance again. All right, and we're going to swing on over to the fenders. This is the driver's side, passenger side fender. Apologize for the reflection there. And as you can see there, you can see that texture there. That's when that cheap Harbor Freight gun started to let me down. And it started coming out dry. So that's where it started tighter striking. No, not to use that stuff. All right, we're out.